Hey guys, I just drove about 30 minutes up north to try this new Dollar Tree out, and I read online reviews were saying people were really impressed that it's one of the larger ones, so come with me and let's see what it's all about. Alright guys, I'm going to take you through some of their Halloween's decor. That one's cute. Turn that. They have their cute little Halloween gift bags. These are cute too. Little, put the little snacks in those. Those are cute. And these are little boxes. How cute. Okay, let's go over here real quick. Let's start here. Here's some of their Halloween bags. They have these cute headbands. Here's some of their signage. Some different window stickers. Here's those pumpkins. Pumpkins that light up. So I love those. That little snowman is. He's so cute. And they have a cat and a little pumpkin. And it looks like they still have some of their fall decor. They have some scarves. Oh, look how cute the socks. They have some pumpkins, and here's some masks. They have everything here, you guys. Lots of added accessories. A little mermaid tail. A little pirate. Ninja. And these are some little lanterns that light up too. They put some makeup in the aisle here. Alright guys, let's go to the other aisle. Okay guys, here's the pet aisle. For those of you that aren't familiar with the Dollar Tree, but they carry lots of pet stuff. They even have pet wipes. And I saw this toy on YouTube for cats, and I watched a cat and he said he loves this toy, so for $1.
Grandma.
Let's see. We have lots of treats. Here is, they're called chili mini frog togs, and you wet them and it keeps you cool for hours. They have a lot to choose from. Here's some of the e.l.f. brushes. Here's the, looks like the left of the eyelashes from Ayani. There's my favorite, Wet n Wild. Looks like they have some more of the fingernail polish sets. Let's see. These duos of the lipstick and the lip gloss. Not seeing much new stuff. As you see, they have a very large fingernail polish selection. Here's their socks. I always find a cute pair here. Little pandas. They have some llamas. They're bringing some holiday out, little reindeer. That whole mess down there that gives me anxiety. Some tote bags. Bringing out little beanie hats. Even have some bandanas. Guys, they have a little freezer refrigerator section, and you can get frozen fruit. They have pineapple, strawberry, banana, blueberry, and peaches. These are nice for smoothies. That one was a papaya. Look at that one. Look at that. Papaya, banana, pineapple, and mango. I'm gonna grab a couple of those. And then I wanted to show you guys, these are the egg rolls I was talking about. They're by Jennifer's Garden spring rolls, and it says that it has, flip it around, it has cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, green beans, not sure how to pronounce that, vermicelli, salt, spice, vegetable oil, palm peanut, sesame, potato starch, crust, wheat flour, water, contains wheat, peanut, soy. So, all natural, guys. Has some high sodium, but again, so does a cup of soup. So, and I try and monitor sodium, but that's a nice snack. And I was looking for those popsicles, but they look like they're sold out. Okay guys, I found some. The Leaping Leopard. This sweet chili sauce is so awesome. It has 20 calories, 0 fat, zero cholesterol, 150 milligrams of sodium, that's per tablespoon, total carbs 5, sugars 4 grams, so not bad. And I love putting this on everything. I put it on my chicken, I put it on my rice, put it on my meat, and it's really good. To be really honest, I'm not really that impressed with the store. Again, it is one of the larger ones, but not that impressed. Here's some more of these veggie storage containers, which I really like. I buy a lot of cherry tomatoes, or when I cut up cucumbers. I mean, you can put an onion in there, a whole tomato. Let's see. Mix and serve. Microwave, dishwasher safe. I don't put any plastic in the microwave, and I love these containers. I use these at home. It has the little lid like that, and I put my crackers and chips, the larger ones, I put my cereal in them. They have some right here, and it keeps everything fresher longer. Saw these last time. They have these new twist top serve fresh. I mean, you can put soup in there, salads are on the go. Here is one of my favorite snacks. I love these pretzel peanut butter stuffed. It's a 5-ounce bag. Sometimes you find them, sometimes you don't, but those are really good. I haven't seen these before. Crispies. I love these kind of rice cakes, but I haven't seen this brand before. And I have some of the bugles. Hey guys, another one of my favorite snacks is the nut roll by Pearson's. I have been eating these since I was a kid, and it's just like a vanilla nugget in the caramel and peanuts, and it is really good, just like that salt and sweet. There's the Godiva chocolate I was telling you guys about in my other video.